Well, good morning, guys. I'm out here in the beautiful North Shuswap, and after my last episodes in Utah, I decided to upgrade my van life game. So there's Grover. I finally got Grover back, and me and my wife purchased this Bodega cooler. Now, it's completely not sponsored. I think it's a good product, and for the price wise, it's a good deal. Plus, if you're Canadian, they have a Canadian distributor and they have Canadian parts, which is really cool. So what it is the 12 volt cooler, or it can run off 110. Now, today I'm running it off my EcoFlow. And to give you an idea, it takes 23 watts on the eco mode of the Bodega cooler, which is really good. And it's on and off, so it's like a freezer. It will maintain that and then click off and not use any watts at all. So I'll put it in the side here what the EcoFlow looks like with it hooked up, but it lasts like, I think it's 22 hours off the River Pro, which is really good. And then what I do is I hook it up in Grover off the 12 volt when I'm driving, so it just runs off when Grover's not on. Now on the top of it here, you've got the temperature settings. So right now I've got it set to 3 degrees on the fridge mode and 16 degrees on the freezer mode. So one of the things that we liked is you have a fridge side and then you have a freezer side. Now you can take out the middle part there and have it total fridge, which is really nice. So I'll put all the stats here about how big it is, but it actually fits perfectly in the center console of Grover with it being strapped down. And like I said, it's not using much power at all. Completely not sponsored. It's just something that I think is a really good product and really reasonable on Amazon. So should be a big game changer for van life and for adventures we got going out. And with the EcoFlow, it doesn't use much power, which is really cool. So this is a short one today, but I wanted to show you this new addition to my van life. Just beautiful. Glad to get out here. I'll catch you on the next one.